Welcome tuning back to our channel. We are Sara and Joni, and together we travel with that Fiat Ducato camper van. Greetings from beautiful sunny Greece. Today is an exciting day. We are going for a little adventure. We are parked near this abandoned hotel. We will go to see the ruins of the hotel and a little exploration. Joni is seeking his boots because there might be some rusty nails or something, broken glass, so it's always better to be safe than sorry.
We have visited so many abandoned places that we can actually see from the pictures which country we are in. For example, in Bulgaria and in Russia, all the window frames are always stolen first. Okay, electrical cords first, then the windows. But you can see that we are not in Bulgaria or in Russia now when there is a window frame still left. Yeah. They had this kind of view, not seeing the sea, but this was a nudist hotel, so they don't even need a sea view, just a private forest to walk naked. Aluminium stays intact, but the door itself is totally ruined. Yeah, small gazebos, they have this on the hotel.
Not much left. Destroyed bathroom and these lovely blue decorations. And some rings from the curtains.
These are closer to the hotel, so they have a really much more nicer tiles in the bathrooms.
Behind me is the main house of this hotel complex, and it's huge. And when we discovered all these bungalows in this infinity forest, there's plenty of them, like hundreds or maybe even thousands. So this has been a really huge place. And when we go urban exploring these abandoned places, it's sometimes a bit scary when you are in a different country and they might be like people living there, squatters, or somebody just took the nice house to ourselves, so we always have to be a little bit careful. But I think this is totally abandoned and safe to go. You know, when you are traveling abroad and you don't know where to go, and then you see this amazing sign, free camping. So it's a good advice. These atrium yards are from the 80s, and now the nature has overtaken it.
Yeah. You can hear sounds from the distance, but it's engineers. They are actually starting to rebuild this hotel or renovate it. So they have all the cameras and they have this 3D thing that they're gonna actually start planning to fix this place.
This is a fixer-upper for sure. So much work needs to be done. So this huge hotel complex is from the 80s, and you can see from the like a finger paneling that we call. Yeah, it's full of 80s textures. And huge place.
Yeah, and those atrium yards over there. And one thing. Nintendo! Shall we take an elevator up? is the only door that is intact in this hotel. I don't know if somebody actually lived here, because this is the best looking room in this part of the hotel. It would be nice to actually renovate this and leave a squat in here. Put their solar panels on the balcony and just live off-grid.
And maybe poop in the elevator hole. It would take a long time to fill up.
End of the hotel, it's the nicest room, so a little bigger, and well, you have the biggest balcony with the view.
This hotel complex was a nudist hotel, a nudist resort, so it's kind of weird that they still had wardrobes. If you change your mind.
Yeah, I really like the tiles that they used on the bathrooms, but all of the nice tiles are gone. I think on this hotel we are a bit late, because we want to explore abandoned places that are abandoned just a while ago. Then there's more like stuff there, or personal stuff. Here's nothing left. Just old carpets.
And no one's home.
No one's home and no trash. Like we saw this book of numbers, like receipts of the house or hotel. It was nice to see, and that kind of things we actually want to look for. We found a jackpot. But this has been the hotel office.
As an accountant, this site really breaks my heart. It looks awful.
They had three kind of beers available here. Henningel, I think it's somewhat German. Ahatel, I haven't actually heard of that. Maybe it's Amstel, because there is Amstel beer still in Greece. And also there is Fix. Fix is one of the beer brands in Greece. Otherwise, you could get red wines. There is also their own cellar wine. I don't know. And champagnes, Moët & Chandon. Yeah, really nice. This is kind of things that we want to actually see from here. Like an old list of or received when you were in a bar or bungalow. There was a list that you have actually ordered there. Greek brandy and Greek coffee. These kind of things, it's really nice to see here, that they are still here and nobody has actually burned these. That is nice, because paper in an abandoned building, people like to burn things. The law says that you have to actually save those receipts forever, so they are forever here. Well, not forever. They're gonna clean up this place in I think next months or years. Yeah, there is already engineers making calculations and plans to renovate the whole thing, and yeah, lots of planning is due. That is not saying that it will happen. We have seen a lot of places that they are trying to actually fix the place, but they don't never start. So they make lots of plans and they buy the place, but they leave it like that. So 89 Milo Penkelifa Nadia from France, Paris, stayed here. He was here 3 weeks. Your friends had really long summer vacations, 3 weeks in this kind of heaven. That's nice.
Ew, somebody has pooped here, so maybe this is like a modern toilet. Ew. We shouldn't touch anything. Let's go. Gross!
They had a really nice discotheque in here. I think the band was performing here. And people were drinking red wine or fix beers behind or beside that fireplace. Yeah. The last receipt that we found was from '89. This didn't have LED screen. It's old. Old screen has been here. Virtual Striker 2. Not 1, but 2. Yeah, and they had huge pool. Huge. Yeah, there has been a lot of people in here. Well, I think there is like maybe 700 rooms in there, and also the bungalows maybe 200. So a lot of naked people around here. I can already hear the music around this place, and people take sunbathing here. Sunbathing here, and yeah, nice place. And I like that it's a little bit overgrown. When they actually rebuild the hotel, they have like a really nice forest around them. Usually around new hotels there's no trees at all, but here they have forest. And first thing that I go look in abandoned hotels is the abandoned mini golf course. There's always abandoned mini golf course. And because this was the nudist center of Sodoma, they didn't have the beach bar on the beach, but here, surrounded by this forest, so you can be again naked, walk from the hotel and come to the bar and enjoy the beach life. And there's some sheepos. The shepherds always take abandoned places to their own place. There's always sheepos and goats in abandoned places. And I think 80s and 90s were the prime time of tennis. Everyone has their own tennis courts, and every hotel had a tennis court. Of course, they have a lot of them. I think 5 or 6 in total on this yard.